Hello everyone, today we will be looking at UI view controllers. Now what are UI view controllers? UI view controllers are controllers that help you keep your code modular. They have their own views. You can use them. You can use them as a complete object by itself. Let's. A lot of people been asking. I always use view-based application. Why use view-based application? Why can't we do that using a window-based application? Add our own view controller on top of it. You can obviously do that, and that's what we will be looking at today. So I start with a window-based application. I call it Hello View Controller. Want it for iPhone. Next and create. I think I already had one before, so let me just replace that project. So we don't have anything special, so let me run this and let's see how it looks like. It's just a window. Again, it's not a view-based application, so we just have a window on top as soon as it launches the application, which happens here. So now I want to make a UI view controller programmatically instead of just making a new file. So let's say UI view controller I view 1 second. I'll create and initialize. So we have initialized view controller. Now instead of making a new view controller or using a view based application, we just made a view controller in itself. Now I want to do is say I want to add a label to this view controller. So I'll say UI label star lbl equal to UI label allocate init with frame cg rect make say 100 100 120 30. So then I will just give label dot background color equal to say something catchy, let's say red color, and pl dot text equal to say hello view. Now I need to add this. Before we said self.view add subview. Now we don't want the who's self this time. This time self is view controller. That's the controller, and we need to add it to its view label. So once I add that label, it's there. Now I need to add this view controller to the window. So I'll say self dot window dot root view controller is equal to view controller. If I do that, let's see what happens. So it puts the window, it makes a view, and on top of the view it adds the label to the view controller's view. So that's how you do it just by coding. So just you can have entire thing whatever we did till now, UI sliders, UI buttons, UI segmented control, everything here in just in one file, just in 3 files you can have everything. But it's always better to make keep your code separate, because this might, if you might start it as like saying, oh, it's a small project, I can just put everything in one file, but that's not the actual definition of object-oriented programming. You need to keep your objects separate. So that's what we do is normally I just deleted that, and you want to keep window files in window, application files in app delegate file, and make a new file for every view controller. So either select a view based application, or you can just say I want to make a new UI view controller not targeted for iPad, next, and give it a name, say view controller. So we call view controller.h file and .m file. So these are two created. If you see, the nib file is not created because I didn't check create nib file, because I don't want to do anything in the nib file. In the .m file it has all those functions for you. I'll just go ahead and comment view did load. I copied that code, so I'll just paste it here. UI label, that is what we need, and this time it's self.view, and we are not going to add anything here. So there we go, and that adds the view controller. Now we need to add the UI view controller. So first what I'll do is I will import the view controller file, header file, and then I go here and I say view controller star view controller equal to view controller alloc initialize. So if you see, I have made it instance of view controller, not UI view controller. A lot of people do that mistakes, and then they say, why didn't we get this view controller's label over there? Because if you do UI view controller, it will allocate a UI view controller and not a view controller that you created. So make sure that you always use the same class which you are looking for. So once I'm done with that, I can just say self dot window dot root view controller is equal to view controller. There we go. And that's the output. So that's how you do it. So this is how you subclass a UI view controller. Either just if it's a small project, you would say would do it in app delegate, but I would recommend always to make a new file for different objects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give some thumbs up so I can make some more videos. And thank you again. See you soon. Bye.